Readings are stable.
Confirmed. Material integrity maintained.
The articulated sensor array glides across the carbon fiber, analyzing the subsurface structure.
Modulus levels are stable across the batch.
Confirmed. Tensile strength requirements are met. Ready for validation.
A robotic arm carefully places a lightweight honeycomb core structure onto the black prepreg carbon fiber sheets.
Check the perimeter right here.
Looks good. No leaks detected.
Confirmed. Ready for vacuum. These sensors are critical for monitoring the temperature gradient during the autoclave cycle, ensuring the resin in the carbon fiber sheets cures uniformly.
Operator, you're clear on the east side.
Roger that, moving steady towards the autoclave.
The exterior cooling pumps and ventilation systems engage, initiating the controlled cool-down phase. Streams of water.
Composites. The massive hydraulic clamps engage, slowly separating the mold halves to reveal the fully cured structure.
These sensors will remain permanently encapsulated within the finished, rigid component, providing real-time strain and fatigue monitoring.
The specialized vacuum bag is carefully contoured around the canards and leading edge flaps. High
To ensure perfect adhesion for the ram coating, the surface is meticulously cleaned and then passed through an ionization chamber to eliminate static.
As the J-20 components pass through the infrared oven, the thermal cure of the stealth coating begins.
This ensures
The Process B product is optimized for stealth operations and is structurally and visually complete.
Easy now. Watch the clearance on the lift.
Confirmed. Bringing it over to the assembly station.
The robotic arm precisely guides the J-20 canards into the fuselage. A smaller unit then fastens the structural bolt.
All stations, green light for rollout.
Flaps and canards check complete. Cycling now.
Flight controls responsive. Green for taxi.
The J-20 Mighty Dragon utilizes advanced canards and leading-edge flaps, showcasing the successful implementation.
The J-20's extreme maneuver demonstrates the stress tolerance of the composite surfaces. The structural integrity derived from the carbon the successful transformation of prepreg sheets into critical, high-performance stealth flight hardware.